Hello guys and welcome. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to copy and paste in Chatgpt. This may seem like a basic skill, but it can be incredibly useful when you want to repeat or share text across different platforms. So let's dive in and learn how to do it. First, navigate to the ChatGPT website at openai.com. Once you are on the home page, you will see the Try ChatGPT button on the left corner of the screen. Click on it. Step 2. You will be redirected to the login page. Here to sign in, you need to click on the login button. Then you will need to enter your registered email address or username and password and press continue button to log in. Step 2. Highlight the text. To begin, you will need to highlight the text you want to copy. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text or by double-clicking on a word to highlight it. Let's say you want to copy the sentence. As you see, ChatGPT is an amazing language model. Step 3. Copy the text. Once you have highlighted it, you need to copy it to your clipboard. You can do this by right-click on the text and selecting copy from the drop-down menu, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C or Command+C for Mac users. This will copy the text to your clipboard. Step 4. Paste the text. Now that you have copied the text, you can paste it wherever you want. To do this, go to the place where you want to paste the text and right-click on the empty space. Then select Paste from the drop-down menu or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V for Mac users. The text ChatGPT is an amazing language model should now appear. And there you have it, folks. That's how you copy and paste in ChatGPT. It's a simple process, but it can save you a lot of time and effort in the long run. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. See you soon.